Have you ever opened AWS Free Tier and thinking, wow, every service is free, and suddenly got a bill that you did not expect? What do you think happens in there? Let's unlock quickly. Many AWS beginners make these mistakes with AWS Free Tier, and honestly, it can confuse you or even shock you if you are not careful. So first, AWS Free Tier is limited usage plan for Tribe, EC2 instance, S3 buckets, and AWS Lambda, like that. You no need to pay for this, but here's the point. It's not completely free for everything. It has limits like time limits or usage limits. It starts charging you automatically after you reaching these limits. Imagine it like a mobile data plan with free GB. Once you cross the limit, money start cutting. Simple, right? Now, the biggest mistake beginners make is thinking free means unlimited. For example, someone launches a EC2 instance and thinking it's free for lifetime. But AWS gives you only limited hours per month. So if it keeps for running 24/7, boom, you start getting it. Another mistake is storage in S3. People upload files, backups, test data, and forget about it. But storage is always running in background, and even small changes are adds up. Have you ever experienced one of your app running on background and drains your battery? Same idea here, but with money. Another common mistake is using multiple servers without understanding how they connect. Like Lambda triggers EC2 or S3 events, and suddenly you are using paid requests without realizing it. Beginners often think, I'm just testing, but AWS don't know about it. It only tracks your usage. Now imagine a real world situation. A student is learning DevOps and they create a project on AWS for host a website. They leave EC2 running, attach a database, and files uploaded to S3, and keeps testing every day. After 1 month, they check billing. They see charges. But because of AWS Free Tier is using without monitoring. So what is the smartest way? Always check billing dashboard, set up billing alerts, and delete resources after you use this. Even better, use AWS Free Tier usage limit alarms so you can get notified early. Now think about this. What if you treated AWS like real money from day one? Would you be more careful? Definitely yes. And that's the mindset DevOps engineers uses in real companies. Every resource costs something, so we need to manage it properly. So wrap it up, AWS Free Tier is perfect for learning, but only if you understand your limits, track usage, and clean up resources after you use. Otherwise, it can quickly turn into free learning tool into unexpected bill generator. And now I want to ask you, have you ever tried AWS Free Tier, and did you check your billing after using it? What happened? Comment below.